All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Wavesurfer by Karanyi Sounds. I always say it wrong, but I think that's it. I think I finally got it. Anyways, the name of the company, that is. So you can get this two different places here. You have it on their website, or you can get Plugin Alliance's website as well. If you have a subscription with them, it is added to the bundle and no extra charge. And I do have a 10% discount if you have it, buy it on Karanyi's website. Karanyi's website, Sounds website. I say it wrong all the time. Anyways, so this is a pretty cool effects unit here. Spice up some bland sounds, if you will. In this video, I tried it on a synthesizer, I tried it on a drum loop, a little bit of vocals as well. So we have 7 swappable units here, modules, if you will, or reverb, delays, and stuff like that. We got AI reverb, pretty interesting how it figures that out, and you can still make adjustments on your own. We got a combo filter, EQ, stereo imaging, wow, chorus, and a bunch of other things in here. So let's just check it out. Let's go. All right, so let's play this on some sounds here real quick, go through some presets, dial some sounds in, and then we'll go through some of the features and the modules and stuff like that. So bypass first. And this is on the synth. All right, so what we got going on here is a bunch of different effects, as you can hear. And then we have some AI stuff for the reverb and the, where's the other one at here? The amp. But there's no AI knob on the amp. I don't know how it works, but it is doing something. The reverb, you hit the learn button here, and then you just play your sound. And it analyzes your sound and determines different frequencies and different rhythms and stuff like that. And then you have your finer control here for wet and dry and the length of the delay. So we learned the signal, and now we have the control. So that's interesting. And we can turn off these modules as well. As you can see, the Autopan here is off at the moment. And let's go through some of the modules here and check these out. And we can move these around to different areas if we want to. So we got the compressor here. Now I just moved that to this first slot. 3 different types of compression. And then we have the one knob for the compression. And then we have the delay here with different kinds of delay: dark, bright, full spectrum, resonant 1, 2, and 3, and back to dark. And then we have our feedback knob here. We have the tempo as well. And then we have our tube screamer here, or the vintage type. Back to the tube screamer for our natural amp. And we have a high pass, low pass filter and a mount. Then we have a phaser, rate, depth, and the phase amount. And then we have our reverb again, and then we have our Autopan with the phase and tempo set and amount. And then we have this other thing here to add some rhythmic effects to your sounds. We have the tempo here, depth, cutoff, smoothness, and we could do this post or pre all the effects. And then we have a dry wet knob down here. We have an in and out. We have a stereo imager. We have a wow and chorus effect. And then we have the overall tone, bright or dark, or high pass, low pass filter as well. All right, so let's check some more out here. Preset wise, we got a bunch for synths and keys. Got some rhythm section here. It's all wet right now. We could dial it back some. So very interesting. I also have it here on the drums, turned off. Let's turn it on. Now, of course, some presets are going to work better than others. Let's do this glitchy one here. Dial back the wet and dry knob and we get an effect like that. Play with the tone. Very interesting. Here we have it on some vocals. Now these vocals do have some effects on them already, but let's test it out anyways.
He likes to chase me around.
That's bypassed. Let's turn it on.
He likes to chase me around. 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 He likes to chase me around.
So some pretty cool stuff you can do with it. Interesting plugin indeed. The Wavesurfer. All right, so that was just a quick look at the Wavesurfer. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.